Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to show you my quick and easy recipe for coleslaw. So let's cook. So I have a red cabbage here, and I'm just going to quarter this cabbage. Now I'm just going to thinly slice this cabbage. And you want to make the pieces as thin as possible. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take this and put it inside of a colander. Next, I'm just going to cut my green cabbage. And I'm going to cut the core out from in the middle. And I'm going to be thinly slicing this whole head of cabbage. Now I'm just going to slice these in half like this. And I'm going to add this to my colander as well. Now that I'm finished chopping up my cabbage, I'm just going to take this over to the sink and wash it really good and dry it as much as possible. So now I'm going to work on the dressing for my coleslaw. And you want to start out with 1 cup of mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, about a teaspoon of celery seeds, and I'm going to start off with about 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can add more sugar if you want to, and about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And I'm just going to mix this up. Now I'm just going to give it a taste to see if I want it sweeter. I'm just going to add about a half a tablespoon more of sugar and just a couple of cranks of black pepper. And I'm going to mix that up. Now I'm just going to go in with about 1.5 cups of carrots. And I'm just going to mix that throughout. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and pour our dressing over top. And you just want to give that a mix. Now that I'm finished mixing this up, keep in mind that this is one of those recipes that you might want to cook the day before, or you want to give it like 3 to 4 hours so that dressing can really penetrate that cabbage. So I'm going to go and plate this up for you guys. Alright guys, and here's our coleslaw all plated up. And that dressing is nice and creamy. It's sweet and tangy at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!